highlights that just came to me is I think our transportation department, that is not maybe an activity, but I gave up my car when I came here, and I think a lot of people have done that. And I haven't missed it a day. Almost any place that I want to go, there's a time to go, and there's a way to get there.
We have 3 bus drivers, and they'll take you anytime you want to go. And that was one of the reasons that I moved here, because I worked in Chicago, and the transportation there was just wonderful, so I didn't drive. And so that was very important to me. Security was very important to me because I didn't know the area. And I just feel so much at home, even when I get on the bus.
What's great about the activity and transportation programs is that many of the residents have families around here, but those families and have kids that they need to run to soccer practice, religion class, ballet, the whole list of places. So our transportation program is great in that they'll take our residents to the doctor's appointment, and many times the families can just meet them there if it's an extra important appointment, or the families can rest assured knowing that our transportation program is going to get the resident to the doctor's appointment, get him home in a timely fashion, and they're taken care of.